How to create a private story on Snapchat. You want to create a private story and don't know how to? Don't worry, I'll guide you to the process step by step. First, open Snapchat. Now swipe left to the stories screen. Once you swipe left, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now once you select your story, you can see my story public right here, right? Tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you can also tap on new story, and here you can see new private story, right? Tap on new private story, and from here you can select the portion you want to keep to your private story. It can be multiple people or it can only be a single portion. So select your friends whom you want to keep in your private story. Once you select your private friend, tap on create story. Now you can name your story. You can name your story like example close friends. Now once you name your story, tap on done. Now once you do it, tap on the send button, and just like that your story will be added to close friends. That means it will only be shown by your close friends, not by other people. And that's it. As simple as this. Adding a story to your close friends or let's say private friends is super easy. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss our next tutorial. Thank you for watching.